Finding the courage to change. Justified. How easy it is to feel justified in my unacceptable behavior. I want what I want, and I want it right now. So I may be rude or demanding when I need to be kind and polite. I fail to consider that others have wants and needs too. I become confused when other people become upset with me. I often feel misunderstood. I might feel angry. I often fall into a victim mindset. I frequently misunderstand the actions and behaviors of others. Then I use my misunderstanding to further justify my poor behavior. Sometimes I know no other way to behave. I'm modeling what I've observed around me in my social environment. If everyone behaves like a spoiled brat, if everyone sees themselves as a victim, how do I learn to become responsible for myself? My primary tool for improving myself is taking a personal inventory. Like a store owner needs to keep track of the items he has in stock, I need to keep track of my attitudes and thought patterns. I look for two types of patterns of thinking: productive thoughts and unproductive thoughts. Productive thoughts improve my life. Unproductive thoughts create trouble and drama. When I'm stuck in an unproductive pattern, I often feel justified. When taking inventory, I've learned to be kind to myself. I could feel like a failure. However, it's more productive to examine my actions carefully so that I can learn to do better in the future. If I need to apologize or make an amends, I try to do that right away. I no longer get stuck in feeling justified.